This is Kyla.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey guys, do you mind if I sit here? I'm trying to meet new people. Do you want to walk with us? You guys are really vibing. What are you up to? Oh, it was good meeting you guys. Yeah. Bitch, where did you go?
Okay, Kyla. So how was today?
It was so good. I'm Kayla. I am 26, live in New York, and I work in tech sales. You know, COVID was such a lonely time. The past few years have been super isolating for all of us. It's hard to meet people in New York because I think everyone's still stuck in their own friend groups from college, and maybe some people aren't working in the office right now. People are still working from home. There's so many people, but a lot of people I think are also afraid to meet new people sometimes and stick to the same group. So I'm trying to branch out personally, and
so all of your old friends stop calling you.
Yeah, stop calling me. What should I say to this person? Yeah, you're oh, they're not gonna think I'm cute if it's a guy, or they're not gonna think I'm cool, or they're gonna think I'm weird because I'm going up to a random person. You gotta just adopt the mentality that everyone's trying to meet new people. So don't be afraid to do it. I think easier said than done.
Any last words before we start?
No, I'm nervous. I love your glasses. What are you up to on this Saturday? Yeah? Yeah, I haven't been to this park in so long. It's a lot. There's a lot going on. But yeah, I'm just hanging out today too.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna start raining, but it hasn't started raining.
I know, it kind of feels like it needs to rain. It's too hot. But we're also in the sun, so maybe we'll get in the shade. Well, I loved your bag. I had to compliment this man on his bag. You're just so stylish. I'm I gotta step up my game over here, Well, I hope you enjoy your Saturday with your friends.
Yeah, we're still debating what we're gonna do.
What do you normally do on a Saturday?
Usually we go out to brunch, but no one's ready.
Oh, what time is it now? It's late.
Yeah, now it's too late.
Yeah. Oh no, actually no, I go to brunch at 2. I feel in New York you go to brunch at 2.
Yeah.
All right, well I'm sweating. I thought it would be okay over here, so I'm gonna head over to the shade. Have a good day. I hope you enjoy brunch. It was a little awkward, I'm not gonna lie. I think he was a little surprised. I think he warmed up to me though. I started asking questions and he was okay, this girl's normal. It's all good. What's up, guys? You guys are really vibing. I noticed the energy over here was good.
We have good energy.
Are you have good energy?
Yeah, we have.
What are you guys up to?
Before.
I've been told that too, so
really?
I love that. I love people with good energy. That's awesome. What are you guys up to?
We're touring a house right here.
Oh, are you just moving to the city?
Well, I live here already. He's moving. He's gonna live with me.
Oh,
He
fun.
How about you?
Do you guys just graduate?
A year ago.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. I'm just chilling, walking around, gonna get a coffee. My day got started a little late today, but I haven't been in this area in a while, to be honest. It's it's an interesting crowd.
Crazy. Where do you live?
Well, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Just thought I would say hi.
What's your name?
Kayla, what's your name? How do you guys know each other?
We all went together.
Oh, nice. I have a few friends. I was gonna say that played basketball there.
Are you from the city?
I'm from Massachusetts.
No way. What part?
Western?
Okay, I grew up in Cambridge.
Oh, well, good luck touring the apartments.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hope you guys hopefully you have good luck. My brother just moved to the city and it's so hard to find an apartment right now, but yeah. Well, good luck. Hopefully you enjoy. Keep that energy going. Just wanted to say that. I really love that. So, all right, have a good one. Bye, guys. It was good. They were nice guys. And he was I'm from Massachusetts too. So it's just crazy. I feel it's such a small world. So I love stuff like that.
And initially, why did you pick them?
We walked by them and they were cheering in the music, and I was I like these guys. I like their vibe.
Okay.
I'm sure they probably thought I was hitting on them, but I just was generally hey, you guys seem cool. They can think what they want. I don't really care. I think they were also a little younger than me, so I was nope. Maybe if I wanted to actually be their friend, I should have gotten their number. It shouldn't have been oh, we should all go out. As friends, I don't know. I kind of wish I maybe had said that. Hi guys. I thought I would say hi. Your dog is so cute. Can I pet him?
Yeah, pet him.
Wait, what's his name?
This is Loki.
Loki?
Yeah. He's
what
very-
kind of dog is he?
He's a dachshund.
Just a full dachshund?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's adorable.
He's super shy though.
Oh,
We're
he's
working
so
on it.
shy.
Yeah.
Is this both of your dog?
That's my dog.
It's your dog?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's really cute.
Thank you.
I have a puppy too, but I haven't not. I'm like scared to bring him here.
Yeah.
It's
You
good.
should.
I know.
Just take him to just put a picnic blanket down.
Do you guys live in the city?
Yeah, I live in the city. She does too.
Oh, nice. So are you guys friends from like life or just friends?
Just friends.
Oh,
Chilling.
that's so nice. I'm trying to like meet new people in the city and
that's
you know,
awesome.
just
Yeah.
I'm from Massachusetts, but
Yeah.
lived here for a few years now. And so have you heard of the podcast You Met at Acme? It's about like dating in New York. You guys should look it up.
that's so funny.
But we do like events like for like girls to like make new friends and like all this stuff, which is really cute. You guys should come to one of them. If you're like in that, if you're like
No.
looking at meeting
no,
people
we'll
and
come at
stuff,
some point.
you guys should come. Yeah.
We will.
Oh my god. Okay, amazing. Well, so wait, what are your names? Sorry. Also, I'm Kayla. So nice to meet you guys, and so nice to meet Abby. So cute. Thanks for letting me pet the dog. Hopefully, I'll see you guys at an event or something. Okay, cool. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys. It was good. They were so sweet, and again, it's so hard to meet girls. I think in the city. So yeah, it was nice to meet like two normal girls. I run those events through like this podcast on the side, as you know, and they were like so receptive to coming to an event, which was cool. Hey guys, what's up?
Hi.
How's your day going?
Good. How's yours?
It's good. I was waiting for a friend to come, so I figured I would
Make some friends.
make some friends while I'm waiting for my friends.
What are you drinking there? That looks good.
Yeah, it's my like alcoholic drink.
Smart.
It's
Good
a
to have one
matcha.
of those. Yeah.
Good to have one of those.
Would you like to sit down?
Oh my god, sure. Thanks guys. What are your names? You guys like kind of all look related.
We're all brothers.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
No. That's a lot.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I like think my friend's also like running late because it's about to rain.
Yeah.
So she was like, I was gonna walk, and now I'm like Ubering. So we'll see. We'll see how long I'm sitting here with you guys.
Yeah.
Hopefully not too. I don't want to bother you guys, but.
Not at all.
Just kind of
Yeah, what are you guys up to?
getting ready to go to the Dead concert tonight at City Field.
Oh, it's City. Oh, fun. So wait, are you guys actually brothers?
That's what
No, you're
Yeah, we're all
joking.
from. We went to high school together.
Okay.
Met here for the weekend.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, he's from Boston.
Oh, I'm from Mass.
Really?
Yeah, like Western Mass.
How long have you lived in the city for?
I have been here for like 4 years now. Yeah. How about you guys?
2.
Okay. Are you 2020 grads? Nice. Love that.
Nice.
Wow, I feel old. Oh God.
Well, that makes you 2018.
Yeah. All right. I think my friend is like not coming for a while, so I might go walk up there.
Yeah, we,
I feel bad crashing you guys.
No,
No,
nice
not
to
at
meet
all.
you.
No, we should all have. I have a lot of friends in the city, so we should all hang out.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's exchange numbers though and
Yeah,
hang out
totally.
if you guys are down.
Yeah.
Okay, it was good meeting you guys.
Yeah.
Just have fun. I guess it really is easier talking to guys. I don't know. Like I wanted to talk to more girls, but like I don't know. Are we recording already? Darn. That was like an easy vibe.
So chill.
Very chill. They were cool. I feel like I could genuinely like hang out with these guys.
Yeah.
So honestly, hopefully we like actually hang out. We did get we exchanged numbers. Yeah. So we'll see. I feel like maybe it is more intimidating to go out to like a random girlfriend group. I don't know. Like I almost feel more comfortable going up to guys. And like if I did have friends coming to meet me at the bar, we all would have just hung out and it would have been like so fun.
Yeah.
And I feel like that just goes to show you've got to go up to people because you never like that was such a great. They were so nice.
Yeah, they were so nice.
And we generally got along versus some of the other people I talked to, we didn't really get along.
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well.
And that's also the thing
Maybe.
that you before you talk to people like you don't know like you say you want to say something, you express it, and then
See what
life is gonna
happens.
have you ever done this in your like normal life?
Probably
Cool.
not. Like I definitely go up to people at bars all the time,
Yeah, yeah,
but
but
I don't
like,
think I
not
just like
during the day,
pop
like
down.
this.
Like no. But hey, now I know I could do it. Hey guys, do you mind if I sit here?
Yeah, go ahead. That's fine.
Thank you. What are you guys reading?
Well, I just bought these 3 books yesterday. So this is.
You look like you're reading really good books, and I need a good. I just finished Verity. Did you read Verity? Oh my god, like the most gripping book I've ever read.
Very.
Yes, like you should. It's like a thriller, like it needs to be a movie.
Yeah.
It could be like a 50 Shades of Grey vibe, but like 100 times better.
I'll go pick it
I need a recommendation. I met this girl at the bookstore. I was like, hey, what book are you reading? It was called How to Date Men When You Hate Men.
Oh, do you guys know each other?
Yo, what up? How are you? Good to see you, man.
I'm Kayla.
Kayla.
Nice to meet you. I literally just randomly sat here. I'm waiting for a friend, so I was like, can I sit here? No. Oh, you're not interrupting. I literally just interrupted them. So you're not interrupting.
I just picked this up. You read Jitu?
Oh yeah, I've read that one, yeah. I've read the other one, The First and Last Freedom. Like it's all like,
relatively
yeah, because it's
the
all like excerpts from his speeches.
It's like I need something that I'm not gonna like put down because then I don't.
Novel. A Dostoevsky,
Oh God, I don't know if I'd be into that.
Crime and
but
Punishment. I started getting dreams about the book when I started reading it. It was that intense.
Oh
like,
my God.
Like I was one of the characters, like, and I had murdered somebody in my dream, and I was like, oh my God.
I mean, that's when you know it's a good book, right?
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you're having like nightmares about it, I guess. Wait, so what did you do last night?
I was at a-
Is it like dancey?
Yeah, it's more like ABBA, Daft Punk,
my God.
you know, and then some nights they do more like a Latin music. I'll be there tonight too if you want to come.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, fun. Okay, maybe I will. I have dinner with my family later, but after
That sounds
dinner,
nice, yeah.
TBD, they're in town.
I unfortunately have to head, but I'd love to find out more about this thing.
Yeah, we should all go out. Yeah. You want my Instagram, my number?
Uh,
Instagram, I'm good on Insta,
I'm
whatever.
better with phone than Instagram.
Oh, yeah. Okay, great.
I'm gonna run. Great to meet you, Kelly.
Nice meeting you. Well, maybe we'll all end up going out together tonight. We'll
Yeah,
see.
cool. See you
Fun.
soon.
Wait, where are you from? Oh my God, wait, I wonder if you know a girl that I went to college with. Does that name ring a bell? That's so
actually know
funny. She lived like on my hall freshman year.
Where are you from?
Massachusetts. All right, guys, well, it was nice meeting you. I think my friend is unfortunately still stuck. We should literally make a group chat and maybe all go out together later.
Yeah.
I have your number.
For like 25 years, it's a senior role.
All right, well, so good meeting you guys. Let's maybe go out later. See you soon. Hello.
That was so cool. That was so cool.
I know, we really vibed. We really all got along so well. That was crazy. It was good. That was like so natural. I was like, hey guys, can I sit here? And he was like, yeah. I feel like they both were trying to meet new friends.
Okay.
So
Was it a couple? Or they were just friends?
no, they were both just sitting there and just were reading, and then
But they knew each other, right?
No,
Oh, they didn't know each other.
they
as
didn't
well?
know each other.
Oh,
So they had been
nice.
talking, and I was like, oh, they don't know each other. They're talking. So I was like, oh, let me chat with them. And we're talking about books. Yeah, I feel like that was just like a friendly interaction. Like you definitely could see we all clearly got along well, had a lot in common, and it was just a random.
So random.
So random, like they're
those
just
moments
reading a
can
book.
happen to you all the time. You go in a coffee shop with these people, just sit next to them, talk to them.
And like what I would never normally be like, yo, let me go up to someone at a coffee shop who's reading a book. But like I could easily do that any weekend and like make friends. Actually, hey guys,
Hey.
what are you up to?
Oh, nothing much. Are we going to the same place, or are you? What's your
Yeah,
name?
Kayla. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Are you guys just tanning over here?
No, we're hanging out at our.
Oh, you have
with our
friends?
at a,
Oh,
at a
fun.
birthday party.
Oh my God,
situation.
fun.
Yeah. Were you just
Nice.
over there and walked over here?
Yeah, no, my friends are down there too, but
nice.
I don't think they're at the same party as
Oh,
you guys.
okay. Well, let's walk.
Okay,
we
okay,
go.
we can walk. Yeah, sure.
You're not trying to walk.
No. Sorry.
She's like, I was actually going in that direction.
Sorry, I'm actually turning on. No. Do you guys have a birthday? That's fine.
Yeah.
All right, well,
actually
figured
with a
I'd
bunch
say
of
hi
friends, though.
because
Yeah, that
I
was
was
really
like, you
nice.
guys look cool, you know?
Yeah, you look cool too.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Wait, are you guys single? Not to like.
I
be-
am.
This
He's
guy
married.
is, this guy
He's
is.
married.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, I'll get your number.
Here we go.
Okay, amazing. That's so
Dude.
nice. That's actually really cute. Cool. Well, it was
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you.
I'll
Send
text
me,
you.
Yeah,
and
send me a text and I'll.
Where do you live? In
I'll
the
be there.
like West Side? Or?
No, I'm in.
This is like my Sunday scary walk though on the West Side Highway. Well, hop on
Send me
your
a text. It was
birthday.
really nice
Okay,
to
yeah, I
meet
will.
Yeah.
All right, have a good one. Hey guys, can I just like sit here for a second? I just like lied to these guys and said like I was like meeting my friends here, but I actually, oh no, I'm totally fine. But I was like, oh yeah, like I was hitting on this guy, and I was like, yeah, my friend's in the park, I'm meeting him. So it was just like really awkward to like not sit with people because I was like, yeah, I have friends here, but it's okay. He's walking, he's not gonna see me in a second.
Okay.
But thank you.
That's smart.
Yeah.
I just got his number. Like I was like, you know what? This is why you shoot your shot. You know, I was like, this is what we have to do out here.
Good for you. Who is he?
Thanks, guys. Oh, he's really cute. He just went down there though. He's like
floral
in that
shirt,
floor. Did you see me talking to him? Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks, guys. I'm really proud of myself.
Inspiring.
You know what? Everyone should shoot their shot. Okay. What are you guys up to? Is this it? I'm looking at it.
Just hanging.
Fun. It's like hot.
It's
really hot.
So hot.
I'm like not doing
We
well.
got here and it looked like the sky was about to explode.
Wait, cool. Well, thank you guys for letting me pop. I think it's fine if I go now. He's like not gonna see me, right?
Well, I can't. Where is he? Now?
He's like
Is he with
behind
his friends.
This is the
Oh,
problem.
he's
Like
looking the other way.
he thinks that I'm with friends and I'm not. So like,
Oh, with the blue shirt? Oh, you were
Wait,
friends
so
now.
what were you doing then?
so I'm actually here.
She's just here picking up guys.
Just kind of, yeah. No, I was generally just like walking home. Okay, well, it's so nice to meet you guys.
Pleasure.
I think I'm good to go.
You're good.
He's not gonna see me walk away, and if he does, like, it doesn't matter.
You can just say you're
You were
going to
just
the
popping
bathroom.
by.
I'm going to the bathroom. Yeah.
He's not gonna call you out.
Oh no, that'd be funny. Bitch, where did you go? Well, enjoy your day, guys. Thank you again. Nice meeting you. Have a good one. Good. It was good. They were like, what the heck is this girl doing coming from behind me talking to me? But it was really good. Super cute. Nice. Yeah, so this is why we shoot our shots out here, I guess. I think it's really funny, like, see the initial reaction of these guys. Like, I was like, hey guys, and they're like, do we know you? Like, why are you guys, like, you're like so confused. But yeah, it was good. And then I made friends with these other people afterwards. They welcomed me into the group because I was like, hey, I just hit on this guy and told him I was meeting a friend here, so can you guys be my friends? So it was good, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you so much. Yeah, she was right.
Hey, where are you?
Wait, where are you guys going?
We're getting on the train.
Fun. No,
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Do you want to walk with us?
Yeah, where are you going?
Okay, we're going to the train.
Oh, that train, like right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then I'll like circle back. No, I was just coming from like the west side. Wait, that was so cute. She was so nice. She looked so good. I was like, she's right. Yeah, you know. I'm from Massachusetts. I live in New York.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Really? Where?
Do you know where?
Yeah, I'm from Western Mass. It was so good to meet you guys.
We have like social media.
Yeah. Oh my, will you add me on Insta?
Yeah, we can like keep in
Do you guys
touch.
live in the city or no?
Yeah. I live in Manhattan.
And
I live in Brooklyn.
Okay, cool.
Okay, what's your Instagram?
Oh, that's me right there.
Oh.
First one, yeah. What are your names?
Nice
girls
to meet
are
you
so
too.
cute. Oh my
You
God.
too.
All right, well, have a good one. Bye. So good. Those girls were so sweet. We literally just exchanged Instagram.
Why did you talk to them in the first place?
So a woman walked by these two girls and was like, your outfit is so cute. And I was like, yeah, she's right. Like, you guys look great. And they were like, oh my God, thanks, queen. Hyping other women up. I don't know, they just had great vibes, great energy. We did like click and we just exchanged Instas. So could be my two new girlfriends.
Okay, that's cool. And I
cool.
think that really shows the power of just like sometimes you have like the smallest thought to express, which is, oh, you look great. And you're like, you may think, oh, who cares if I said that, it's not gonna lead anywhere, but from like a simple compliment, you guys vibe and
Going into it was a little nervous. Obviously the first interaction was a little forced and awkward, but like just ended on such a good note, like meeting those girls. Might have some friends to go out with tonight.
Okay.
It was fun, and it was like way more natural than I thought it would be. In New York, I've always like felt like, oh yeah, I can meet anyone like out, but like to me out is like at a bar or like at a social setting like that, and like that's not the case. Like you can just meet someone at a cafe, on the West Side Highway, like walking on the street, and it's not as hard as you think to meet people. Just don't be afraid to shoot your shot and put yourself out there, even if you don't feel that confident, like it's gonna come, and you just gotta keep going. Don't let one rejection get you down. Just like keep going, and you'll have success.
Also, it's not even a rejection, it's just sometimes it's a mismatch. It's okay.
That's true. It's not even rejection. It's just like you didn't vibe, and like who cares? On to the next person.
Any last word?
No, this is awesome. Thanks,
Good
Ruben.
luck.